Hey, this is Nate. Thanks for reaching out on power washing, soft washing, window cleaning worldwide on Facebook. I wanted to do a quick little site review for you. Kind of give you 3 things that you can do today to help improve your rankings on Google. Kind of a little free attack plan. We're going to talk about content, citations, and backlinks, and we'll get into what those are. I always start with content because with Google, content is king. If somebody types in pressure washing in your area or roof cleaning near me, Google wants to make sure that they're sending people to sites that talk about what they're looking for. So they want to make sure that you're relevant. So they really want to see the content, have those keywords and key phrases in there. Your site looks great, but Google doesn't see all of the pictures. Google only sees the content. You've only got a couple small paragraphs here. Google recommends about 1,000 to 1,500 words on the home page and about 500 to 750 on the back pages. We can look, I found a couple other guys in the area, and most of the sites that I look at are lacking on content. These guys, just a couple paragraphs down here. Kind of, same thing here. They got a few paragraphs in there, but not a ton of content. Maybe if you start adding all their frequently asked questions, they might get up to 1,500. But, something super easy to beat out. You can never have too much content when it comes to Google. The reason the content is important is because that's where you get your keywords and your keyword phrases. Google is not currently ranking you for any organic keywords. So if you go over here, these guys have 95. These guys have 146. And what we can do is go in here and see what they actually have. Pressure washing Orlando, there's 300 people a month that search that term. And they're in the 12th position, which is the top of the second page. And they're getting 6 visits a month to their site. And from what I have seen, if you can get in that #1 spot, you get about 1/3 of that traffic. So if they were ranked #1 for pressure washing Orlando, they'd be getting about 100 hits a month to their site because of that one keyword. Here's another one, pressure washing Orlando FL. They're in the 9th position, which is the bottom of the first page. They're getting about 4 people a month out of 100. If you were #1 for that keyword, you'd be getting about, 30 to 35 visits a month to your site. So they do have the type of keywords that I like to see. I call them generic keywords. They're generic because they don't have your company name and stuff like that. It's super simple. They have what you do and where you do it. And those are the type of keywords that most people are putting into Google. If they're putting your company name in there, they already know who you are. We want the people that don't know who you are to find you on Google. So that's kind of my quick overview on content and keywords. Second thing is the citations. Citations are what help you get into this Google Map Pack right here. And, normally there's some ads up here. I've got some plugins in my computer, so a lot of times my ads end up showing up down at the bottom, down here, instead of at the top where most people see them. But most of the time you're going to have your ads up here, then you're going to have your map pack. And a lot of people never scroll past here, so it's critical to get into that section. The way that you do that is through your citations. And a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in multiple directories across the internet, such as Merchant Circle, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's thousands of them out there. We have a tool called White Spark that we use. You're currently showing up for 22. Testerman's is showing up for 29, and AquaClean is showing up for 13. And you can easily push this number up into the hundreds. If we were to take over and try to do something like that for you and really, really put some time and effort into it, we could probably get that up, 200-300 citations within about a month. But it's just a matter of going out, finding the directories, signing up for them, and then putting in your information. So it does take work, it does take time, but it's totally something that you can do. The third thing is the backlinks. Currently you have 4 backlinks, and a backlink is any site that points back to your site. They have a link back to you. A lot of your citations will give you backlinks. You can go into blogs about, pressure washing or home services type things, and, read up on some articles, comment on it, put a link back. Some of those will give you links to your site. But it's kind of a popularity contest. Google thinks the more people that like you and want to point back to you and be connected to you, the more popular you are, the more relevant you are, and the more authority Google is going to give you. These guys here, they only have 9. These guys have 31. And with the tools that we have, we can go in and see what they are. Excuse me. We can go in and see what they are, and we kind of call it the copycat method. But, this guy's got 31. He's the highest up on the list right now. So we would go into his and go to all of these pages where he has backlinks and see if we can get those same backlinks for you. So basically it's, copy what the guy with the most has and then go out and find some more. But that is my basic overview. I like to keep it short, sweet, to the point. I know as a business owner, you're out there killing it. You're busy right now. But I do want to thank you for your time. If you got any questions, 210-383-8401 or hit me up on Facebook. Thank you.